So what I did on meet this part was I started packing for me to go to Nando's because I had to go to Nando's for my 4th, 6th. So now coming my 4th, I went to Nando's. I went for my studies for my English exam, board exam. So my 4th, my 4th, my 6th, I stayed in Nando's. And I studied for my English board exam. So like I had my class like 3 to 4 hours. I would go to the center and was very so I covered these 3 days. I covered paper 1 and paper 2 fully. So this was my 6th. I used to come to class, travel to Gurgaon Center and then study. And then my 6th I came back by 7th, by 5 p.m. And then I studied at home. So my 4th, my 5th and my 6th is on my 7th. I played what happened on my 7th and 8th. Actually, when my paper happened, because these two, so my 7th